Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope all of you are fine. We have discussed some of the basics concepts in our previous lecture about the safety कि अगर हमें एक लैब में जाना है तो क्या हमें सेफ्टी मेजर्स हमें लेने हैं. वी हैव डिस्कस कि हमें ड्राइंग्स जो लाइन है वो हमारी कौन कौन सी होनी चाहिए. ड्राइंग लाइंस के बारे में हमें पता होना चाहिए. एक इंजीनियर के लिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इंजीनियर बिकॉज इट्स द लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंजीनियर एंड इफ यू डू नॉट नो the how to read the drawing, you cannot do any work. For example, if you are hired as an engineer on a construction site or in any private firm or government, and you are assigned a task, तो वो आप लोगों को ड्राइंग्स ही देंगे और अगर आपको वो रीड करनी नहीं आएंगी तो आप काम नहीं कर सकते. हम बेसिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ जो है वो पढ़ चुके थे कि लिमिट्स क्या होता है, largest to smallest dimension permissible part key, and tolerance is basically permissible variation of the size of part, and it is the basic dimension plus or minus the variation allowed in the given drawing. We have also discussed about allowance. It is the intentional difference in the size of mating part, such as the diameter of shaft and the size of the hole. On a short drawing, both the shaft and the hole would be indicated with maximum and minimum size to produce the best fit. And what is basically fit? The range of tightness between the two mating parts. There are two general classes of fit. For example, if you want to move one part with the other part, or if you are interested in not moving the parts, so we can categorize it into two parts. One is clearance fit and interference fit. Clearance fit, whereby a part may revolve or move in relation to mating part. For example, when parts is moved with the mating part, then it is clearance fit, and interference fit, whereby two parts are forced together to act as a single piece. In this case, वो move नहीं करेंगे. uh, Different miring dimensional system you must be known. It's very important for an engineer. Identifying different types of steel rule, miring with simple spring caliper and steel rules. These are the system, and हमें ये चीज़ें जो है वो यूज़ करनी है. आपको पता होना चाहिए 1/10 जो है फ्रैक्शन का 1/10 डेसिमल में 0.1 है 1, और इसी तरह 100 की क्या वैल्यू है, 1000 की और 0.01 0.001. Inch system, unit of length in the inch system is the inch which may be divided into fraction or decimal fraction division. both में हम कर सकते हैं. Fraction system is based on the binary system. या base 2 जो हम लोग normally use करते हैं. Binary fraction commonly used in this system are 1/2, 1/4, 1/8 inch से इससे marking की होगी. Decimal fraction system has base 10, so a number may be written on a product of 10 and a fraction of 10. Okay, these are the some prefixes you must be known because for solving the problems you have to follow the standards. These in first column there are prefixes, in second column meaning and multiplier, and then in last column symbol. For example, micro symbol we can use mu, and it is 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and milli is 10 raised to power minus 3, like centi, 0.01, deci 0.1, deca is for 10, hecto is for 100, and kilo is for 1000, and mega is for 1 into 10 raised to power 6 mega. Basic measurements. Metric system. Linear metrics dimension are expressed in multiple and sub-multiples of the meter. In the machine tool trade, the millimeter is used to express most metric dimensions. Fraction of the millimeter are expressed in decimeters. A brief comparison of common inch and metric equivalents is shown. For example, in metric system, 1 yard and in inch, 1 yard is equal to 36 inch. Metric system, 1 meter and in inch, 39.37. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, 0.621 mi, and 1 mi is equal to 1.609 km. For example, this is the conversion chart. So you have to convert inch into millimeter, then 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. You can read like 1 inch and you have to convert it into any standard, like 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 decimeter. 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meters. This you can read. For example, 1 yard is equal to how many millimeters? It is equal to 914.4 millimeters. 1 yard is equal to 9.144 decimeters. This is the chart you must be know. Oh, okay.